I was gonna wear around my head.
Really so hard.
Mama loves her style.
Okay. This woman.
Ready to work out.
She want to dump it all in the bowl. She can't. You got to get that big bowl to do that. Look. That big old shiny bowl, you got to
No,
get
it
it.
ain't gotta be that big.
Seriously, what she got in the skillet won't go in the bowl.
Antoine?
I'm telling you, it was not going in the
No,
bowl.
don't suck in too.
Why y'all put them in the
That's what I'm saying.
I did.
She got to have them.
Hazel, you like your dress?
I just saw her put one pack in there.
No.
Hazel, you like your dress?
All the noodles ain't going in.
You look so pretty. Hazel, you look so pretty. Anton, Hazel wants you to come see her dress.
This has been long but well worth it. I have spent sleepless nights Googling, searching, watching YouTube videos of different kinds, colors, pricing. I use y'all for years, like 10 and 20 years. Some of them I wear, some of them I don't. I wear them because it's the going trend. And then some of them I just wear because, okay, they're comfortable. I try them on and I'm getting them because it's a whatever type of sale. Whether it's a charity sale, Black Friday sale, first of the year sale with Dillard's, I just buy shoes. But anyway, I went into Dillard's looking for some UGG boots or some comfortable boots. The sales associate had on some boots and I'm thinking, well, do they sell those in here? She said, not these. And I'm thinking, but they sell Louie Vuitton in Dillard's. Not shoes. And I'm thinking, well, okay. So she bought me out 2 pair of UGG boots. And I'm thinking, they're so comfortable. But I'm not really a UGG girl. So I'm thinking, I'm going to quit perpetrating. So I told her, just go ahead and put the boots back or the shoes back. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to quit procrastinating and just go on and just bite the bullet and get these. So Noah, if you would aim the camera down here.
Okay.
This is how it delivered.
Don't show your address now.
Delivered Cherry Peterson. It comes from New Jersey, Piscataway, New Jersey. And there you go.
Oh, yeah.
And let me tell you one thing, too, how you can tell fake and real. Here is my authenticity certificate from Louie with my, it's a return label just in case I'm not satisfied, but it's a letter. And a card from Louie. But anyway, that's how you can tell. If somebody tries to say, show me the receipt and show me your certificate. The other thing I found out. Y'all, I just got this today and I just got off work. But each shoe has its own duffel bag. Its own duffel bag where they package them separately. Aim the camera down here, Noah. Okay, another thing. I'm going to put this box away. I work for a company that we do packaging. This is a sleeve. This is a pull tab. We do packaging. We make boxes. This is considered a sleeve. Okay? This is a card from the YouTube videos I've seen. If I was wanting to give this away as a gift, it's a card where you can write to so-and-so from Louis Vuitton with the straps. But I'm not giving these away as a gift. Its own bag, y'all. I got 2. Okay, now here is the reveal. You zoom it in. Y'all, Combat Laureate. Louie. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Just spin it around. Let's see the bottom.
Give you. This is black suede, trimmed out in black leather. Black leather. The shoestrings is even leather. This is called the Louis print, embossed print. The whole tongue is made of that same print. Let me tell you the difference between the fake and the real. You have 2 of these prints. That's the only thing that you should see in this groove. If it's halfway chopped off, it's not real, it's imitation. So that's how you can distinguish between real and fake. Now these shoes, according to the YouTube channel and videos I've watched, they run narrow. So I had put it in my cart, but a size 9 was no longer available. I wanted the green, where all of this was green, but this was the only 9.5 that they had available. So I went ahead and ordered them. Okay. I can't wait to try them on, y'all. I ain't even took out the other shoe. Make sure it's left and right. They could have sent me 2 left shoes. Okay. Put that to the side because I'll come back to you later. Now, I want to know if these shoes is as comfortable as they say they are. And y'all, the hype is so real. So real. Y'all, these shoes feel so good. And if you notice, I've not said anything about the price. Google it. Google it. Don't whoop, Hazy. I know I ain't got them tied right. But that's okay.
Oh my goodness. In the Louis?
Y'all. How do they look? Back view? Side view?
Them look good.
Tiptoe view? That's the Michael Jackson view.
Yeah, them look good.
And the other thing, they're combat. They're one level. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's a 2.5 inch heel with a 1.5 inch front. So what do y'all think? Give me your thoughts and opinions.
How do you feel about them?
I love them. I know they look good. By the way, Back up in my face. Saks Fifth Avenue don't carry them.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
The one that
They don't carry shoes. They
no,
don't
the
carry
one
Louis.
our Saks Fifth doesn't.
Yes.
Ours don't carry clothes
Yes.
and stuff.
Now the girl I talked to, she got them from Saks Fifth Avenue in Georgia, but
I'm not for sure about
they're
their Saks
totally
Fifth.
out of stock on Saks Fifth Avenue website. Totally out of stock. So
Oh, I don't know.
I know. Like I said, I've been doing my research for 2 weeks.
Well, you know, different stores carry different products.
Most of them. But y'all, these shoes feel so good.
They look good though. How they feel? They feel good?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Y'all know how when you get a pair of shoes, it make you walk different, feel different? Then you know, when you walk in a room or outside of your doors, you know all eyes is going to go on these shoes. Nose up, eyes rolling, but all eyes will be on these shoes because they are something to see. My plan is to wear them in the wintertime. I mean in the summertime. Year round. I got to. I'm out of money.